Good morning everyone, welcome back to the southern part of the UK, good old Dorset. As you can see, it's a bit cloudy. Now, this morning when I got up, which was about 20 to 7, the sky was clear blue, and I think they do give a fairly nice day, and through next week they give a few nice days. Go on then, lever up the outside of them. Excellente, look at that, thank you. I do like her ponytails. As you can see, we're back on the ping wok visor. Oh dear. Put that down, something's steaming up straight away. Christ. That's the bloody the internal black sun visor. So I'm gonna have to Zeiss that when we get there. Oh, she got one of them funky red lights in the back of her helmet. So if that's you in front of me, let me know who you are if you watch this. If you're down in Weymouth on that Triumph with your pink ponytails. So this morning we've got to stay local because Steve is on call, but we'll still get out and about. We want to test these, putting the two microphones to the Action 5, but also have a go also at pairing Steve's microphone to my Action 4. And as Steve rightly said this morning, if pair his mic to the separate camera, we're then going to have two separate audio streams, because as far as I'm aware, the Action 5, if it's got two microphones connected to it, it puts it all in one audio stream. I might have to get myself some of those ponytails up for my helmet. Rather fetching. And just a quick shout out to Brian, PEAKY Biker. Cheers for walking us through the best process to get that remote control paired up with the cameras properly and working properly. It touch wood, it's working every time, first time every time now, doing it the way you showed me how to do it. Cheers for that, mate, appreciate that. Always good to help others out if you can. While we're on that subject, if you're a smallish channel like we are, and you're at a loose end on a Sunday night at 8 PM, come and join in the live stream. Normally airs on Time to Go, which is Joe's channel. Sometimes we'll do a dual live and ping it out on mine as well. What we try and do, if we can, is get the smaller channels a few more subs, just to get you noticed a bit more. We'll have something different on there soon. One of those 7-inch car pure rides, the 702BS, which is specific for the BMW. That just clips straight onto the BMW cradle and works with the jogger wheel. I also want to shout out a thank you to Paul, who's the stammering biker. If you've not seen his channel, go give him a look, give him a like, give him a sub. A very good channel, especially if you use things like Carpia Rides, Ayuchis, Jiggies, if you use the My Route app for nav. Very clever bloke. He's also a very decent bloke in the fact that the carpool ride, you can you put your own logo up on the screen, boot up logo. You can also have your bike picture as the picture for the bike, showing your tyre pressures, things like that. He has put all different bikes. He's rescaled the pictures, put them in the correct format, put them in a transparent background, and he's uploaded them to Google Drive files so that cretins like me, who don't know how to do it, can just download it and install it to your carpool ride. And he explains how to do it and everything. I say, very clever bloke, very decent bloke. So cheers for that, Paul, really appreciate that. As I say, I'll put his channel name in the description. Go take a look and give him a sub. He's a good channel. There he is. Let's see a helmet. I not only didn't turn my cardo on, I didn't plug it in either.
I was just seeing if I could actually call you.
Oh, yeah, I need to plug it in and turn it on. Right, so we have just paired Steve's mini mic to my Action 5 to see whether this time it will record us both. Faffage!
We're off again, aren't we?
We're always good with faff, aren't we?
Yeah. I was just double checking, make sure my mic didn't reattach to my camera when I turn my camera on.
Should we go out Litchett and then cross Morden Park Corner down through the woods and down to Sanford?
Yeah, straight down through.
Yeah.
It's a lovely road. Right. Fingers crossed this audio works.
So when you get to that tight left-hand bend in a minute, that tight right-hand bend rather, you go round to the right.
Yes.
Because you can go straight on, can't you? But
yeah, and that takes you up through towards Corfe Mullen Way.
That's it, yeah. But it's lovely out through here, isn't it? Yeah, it's nice. It is nice.
And everything to play around with, haven't you?
Yeah, it's very nice.
Apart from this corner, it gets a bit gravel.
This ice here makes me laugh because the amount of cars that play through their wall. This one here on the left.
Yeah.
Look at it. How many times has that been red? Look. Cars coming, they go straight on through the wall. Oh no! Straight road. That's because they're overtaking, isn't it? And have to cut back in really quick.
So much more vision on this lid.
Yeah, see, this ain't brilliant, this one.
Mine wasn't. Just up here, there's a little pull into the forest, just on the right here, and that's where Mark Pullen done the review of this very bike.
Oh, is it? First one of the day. First one of the day. Indicator, Steve.
Too busy bloody talking. Yeah, so I thought I'd take it back there.
Yeah.
Because that's where it started its YouTube life off, really.
Yeah.
Le soir d'argent.
Right then folks, this place we're going to now is called Revo's Hub, and it's a pub that, well, used to be a pub that's been converted into a petrol, it's a hub for petrol heads, isn't it, he calls it?
I think. I'll go in the other side here.
Watch some fucker run over
It's
me.
nice of him.
Yeah. That it is.
I'm going to drop in between these two cars. No, I'm not. I'm going to park on the edge here.
And where? Oh, over there, yeah.
Yeah. Don't want to take up too much room.
There.